What's up, everybody? We are back in the same building. Apparently there was a leak in one of the bathrooms and left quite a bit of a flood here. So I'm back to extract more water from this carpet. And I'll show you guys how it turns out. Alright, let's go check it out. Alright, so I've been assessing a little bit of the damage. The water, the bathroom is on the other side of this wall here. So I'll show you right here, this wall. It's the bathroom on that side. And basically, so you can see how the urinal leaked quite a bit. So we just gotta pick all this up. I got my machine with me. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I just got my machine ready. So I got my wand, I got my Rotovac Ranger, 1200 PSI, 24 gallons Rotovac. And I also have everything set up to get ready to extract all of the water that's right behind me. So let's go, let's check it out. Finished drying this carpet out. Now to put a blower on it and just wait till it dries. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like and share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.